So hi friends, in today's video we will discuss about the optical power too low and optical power too high, these two alarms. What is the meaning of these two alarms, how it is reached, and how we can clear these alarms. So first of all, you need to know what is the output of this command, display also interface. This is the command which varies for the different vendors, and it depends upon the different vendors. So I have just take the example of Huawei. So here the command display so interface will run, and this is the output. So in output there is a lot of information you can see here, but we need to focus right now on this RX and TX power. So first of all, you need to understand the upper and the lower threshold of TX and RX power. So you can focus here, this is the RX power and this is the TX power. You can see here, this is the value RX power, this is the working range for RX power. So the first values shows the actual receive power on this receive port, and this is the working range. So there are two values in the working range. You can see here on the left hand side. So this first value is known as the lower threshold of RX power, and the right hand value is known as the upper threshold of RX power. So the RX power, the value of this RX power should be in the range of lower threshold and upper threshold. If the RX power is out of this range, there is an alarm. If it is below this upper threshold, and if it is below this RX threshold, so there will be alarm. We will discuss in the next slides. So same here for the TX power. You can see here, this is the actual power, this is the working range, and the TX power must be within this range. So in the same case, the same like the upper, the left hand of these values is known as the lower threshold of TX power, and this right hand side value is known as the upper threshold of TX power range. You can understand by this chart, this is values, this is the zero value, this is the positive values, and this is the negative values. So when we say that the power must be within 1 to -1, so the power can be varies between these ranges. You can see here. So if we can say this is the range -2.99 to -22, so the range for this working range is -2 to -22, like this. The power can be any values between this, so that is okay. But if the power is beyond this -2, that is too high power. If it is beyond this -22, this is too low power. So we will discuss in detail about this alarm in next slide. So in TX and RX power, there is a range of power level. The upper range towards the positive value is called the upper threshold. The lower range towards the negative value is called the lower threshold. You can get it about the clear information about this lower and upper threshold of TX power and RX power. So you need to know that. Now the optical power is too low and too high alarm. So you can see here, this is the TX port and this is the far end RX port. This is the TX port and this is the far RX port. So you can see here in this output, the RX power is -23 and the working range is -22.924 to -2.992. So this RX power is below the lower threshold value. So what will it alarm generate? When the RX power is below the lower threshold value, it's alarming input optical power is too low. So when any power which is below this lower threshold of RX power, then it will generate input optical power is too low. In the same case, in the other case, you can see here the RX power is -1, which is also out of this range. And you can see here this power, RX power, is beyond this upper threshold value. So when the RX power is above the upper threshold value, you can see here -1 is greater than this -2. So when the RX power is above the upper threshold value, it's alarming input optical power is too high. Mean the power cannot be high beyond these values. Power must be between this range, and if the power is high above the threshold upper threshold value, it will generate alarm optical power is too high. So RX power is -20. You can see here this is in the range, and the TX power is -6, which is below the lower threshold value. So it will generate output optical power is too low. The output power should be in this range, but it is less than is lower threshold value, so it will generate the output optical power is too low. In the same case, you can see here the RX power is in the range, the TX power is 1 dBm, which is beyond the upper threshold value. When the TX power is above the upper threshold value, its alarming output power is too high. So the input optical power is too low, input optical power is too high, output optical power is too low, and output optical power is too high. So these are the four conditions you can see here, and this can be clearly understood by upper and lower threshold of TX and RX power. Hope you will understand. Thank you.